Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a headlight restoration on Mrs. Cabbage's headlights. So this is the kit. I've got the Holtz one, and this headlight restoration kit comes with everything. So we're going to give it a go and see how it goes. As you can see, it comes with all the little sandpapers you need, the spray, the polish, and the drill driver attachment. So yeah, it looks alright to be fair to it. So we're going to give it a go. Gives you a little instructions as well. The headlight restoration kit I've got the Holtz one. Can help pass the MOT. We'll do a sort of an unboxing thing so we can see what's in it and go from there. Butchered the unboxing there. Right. Microfiber, always love. There we've got headlight sealer, abrasive polish, foam pad. I'm glad it come with one because I didn't see it on the thing, so we shall. I didn't see it actually on the there. Oh no, it is there. I'm just blind. In there, and I'm hoping it's come with the. Oh, it's come with it. It's come with the attachment. There we go. So we can use that with the. That makes things easier for me. Come with all my different sandpaper. It's really handy. To be fair, if I thought about it, I could have done some of this slow motion. But never mind. As you can see, boys, these are a bit hazy there. A bit hazier there. So guys, on Mrs. Cabbage's Honda, I'm going to try the method I used on Sensei Saab and try and sort of use the cut and compound and the glass polish first. See if it needs to, see if we need to do any more like that. If not, I will go with the, I'll do the headlight restoration kit thing. Right boys, so we got the headlight restorer there, but first of all on the Honda we're going to try the cut and compound and the glass polish. We're going to give that a go and see how it goes. As you can see guys, the hazing's really bad on there. It does look like it's just thin coat, so I'm hoping with the cut and compound we'll be able to get it off. So we got a good amount there, boys. I'm trying to really work it in there, as you can see. You can see boys, we've got a good amount, so then we're just going to try and get this off, just try and work in the cut and compound again. Trying my best to multitask horrendously. I was trying not to get it on the plastics, but that has not worked very well. I shall wipe it off in a second. Wiped off the residue, so now we're just leaving that to go hazy. We'll give it a wipe off, give them another go. and then we'll use our glass polish and see how they come up. So this side looks a tad better. We'll give it one more cut and compound, we'll see how that comes out. And this side is a bit better, so we'll give it another cut and compound and then a glass polish. Then we'll see if we need to do the actual headlight restoration. Second one, here we go. I'll tell you what though boys, I'm hoping I didn't buy that headlight, well I'd say the F-bomb, but you can't on here, so that fluffing headlight restoration kit for no reason. So we'll give this side another go. I'll just try and work it in. Leave that soak in for a minute. We will wipe off the residue. Second coat is done. We will wipe off the residue, do not fear. Alright, that's the second coat. That actually looks really good, to be fair. I am getting more annoyed that I bought the headlight restoration kit for no reason. So we'll probably do it one more side, well one more time on each side. And then we'll do the glass polish and see what Mrs. Cabbage thinks. Because it is her car at the end of the day. That's the other side, that one's the worst side, but I reckon if we get like strong arm it one more time with a cut and compound and then glass polish, we should be fine. The third coat is on, so we just let it sit for a minute, let them, like, what's the word, I can't think of the word, but you know what I'm saying, like dry over a bit. That's the third coat on that side. Third coat on that side. They do say third time's the charm, let's hope so. Alright boys, time for the Auto Glim glass polish. Give them a shout out and something, you know, because they've sent me a little package before and they're actually a really good product. So we'll give the glass polish a go and then we'll see what Mrs. Cabbage says. The glass polish on that side. I know there's some overspill, we will wipe that off. And that's the glass polish on that side. And this is after the glass polish. Looks like I didn't need that headlight restoration kit, which is annoying, but I reckon it would have been a pain with doing the Civic's headlight being that like edgy shape or whatever. So both headlights cut and compound and polished, as you can see. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and I shall see you in the next video. And remember guys, if Cabbage can, you can too.